Hello, my name is Sung Shin. The title of my presentation is User Interaction Satisfaction with Simulation Games Used in Learning about ERP Systems. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning System, is an organization-wide application software supporting various business processes and activities. Currently, SAP ERP system is the leader in the ERP market with more than 12 million users in more than 121,000 installations worldwide. That's why many colleges and universities worldwide, they teach ERP courses using SAP ERP system. Also, HEC Montreal, the business school of the University of Montreal in Canada, they provide several editions of ERP simulation games based upon SAP ERP system, including distribution, logistics, manufacturing, and retail simulation games. For this study, we used the distribution game in a graduate course. Participants operate the process of planning, procurement, and sales of wholesale distribution company that sells bottled water in Germany. Of course, the company is a fictitious company, and the game runs for 3 rounds, with each round running for 20 virtual days. In other words, 1 virtual day is equivalent to 1 minute on the system. This figure shows the layout of the game. So round 1, they do only sales process. Round 2, they do sales process plus procurement process. And round 3, they do a sales process plus procurement process plus planning process. I want to use this video presentation as an opportunity to show you an actual ERP sim distribution game. And the paper to be published in conference proceedings has much more details of the study, including data collection, analysis method, and the discussion of the result. So at this moment, let me switch to SAP system. Okay. So this is ERP sim, distribution games initial screen. So the students will do round 1 and round 2 and 3. Round 1, they do 2 transactions. The first one is to change prices. The second one is to plan marketing expenses using all the information provided in these reports. For instance, if you look at the inventory report, it shows the initial inventory stock. So initially, each company is provided 1,000 units for each product. So altogether, there are 6,000 units. And then if you look at the change price, so for this company AA, there are 6 products to sell, and the column amount shows the prices in euros. So they can change these prices at any time based upon their knowledge of the sales orders coming to their company, based upon their knowledge, their understanding of their company's performance. For instance, one product does not sell well, then they may lower the price. If one product sells very well, then they may consider even increasing the price to maximize the profit, for instance. And then another transaction for planning marketing expenses across 6 different products across 3 different regions of Germany. If they spend more on a certain product, of course, they may expect more sales orders coming for that product because the public, the consumers are better aware of the product because of the publicity and advertising of their product. And then in round 2, they will extend the 2 more transactions, MRP run and purchase order. MRP, materials requirement planning, is the prerequisite to purchase order. So at the end of round one, most of the teams or the companies may have sold out those 6,000 units. Then it is time to purchase more in round two. And then the round three, create the plan independent requirement is a kind of forecasting. By using these forecasting transactions, they can purchase as many as they want, as little as they want. In other words, by this time, students have some understanding or knowledge of which product sells well, which product does not sell well. In that case, they may purchase more of the well-selling product and less of the product that does not sell well. Again, they can use all of these reports when they make decisions on those 5 business transactions. So this is pretty much about the user interaction. So in the study, I examined how students perceive all of these user interactions, how much they are satisfied in each category of the user interaction. I hope to see you online or in person at the conference so that we may have more discussion about this study. Thank you very much.